Hi guys, today is May 1st, 2013, and I have an update for everyone for MGEdit, or MG Editor as it's known. It's not a big update, but I'm just constantly updating things, so this is just a little bit of an update as to what I've got working, what still doesn't work. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to let you guys know exactly how it's going, let you guys see how the project's going. I'm thinking about releasing code, so if you guys think that's a good idea, give me a thumbs up. But I'm thinking about making it so that we can release the open source and have people work on it and tell me what they got, and hopefully if the whole community comes in, we can bust out something that's just completely open source like Ubuntu. It's just for HTML development. Beat Adobe at their own game, right? But anyway, here's the update. I have this update, which I told you I was going to show you, so here we go. I'm hoping this is my new updated version. Looks as if it is, so we're good. Show you in full screen mode. Here's your basic GUI. I have my code editing and visual editing for those who are new to it. I have tools, buttons, checkboxes. All these are building tools, so unfortunately they don't stay on top of each other. But if I go to button and 150 for whatever reason, and I name it button, it generates the coding. It still has this weird ass syntax that I have to get rid of, but that will be updated directly after I finish this video. It's a work in progress, so right now. Let's see, checkboxes I'm working on right now. It's not generating the coding, but it does change in real time, so it's kind of cool. Doesn't work yet. Let's see here, a couple of new features. I got the index tags to actually pop up into the code editing box. I need to figure out this function here for searching through the tree view, which isn't working at this point. See, other than that, let's see, code editing. I can edit this in live time, of course. You guys already knew that. Let's see, close out all of this, highlight that, and do that. Alright, so let's go to Facebook real fast, show you a couple of these features that I have posted up on my website that a lot of people probably aren't even seeing because people think my shit's gay, probably, but that's alright. Sorry for the cussing, I didn't mean to do that. If you put it into edit mode, you can edit pretty much just about anything in the website. Well, actually, no, everything. It is yours at this point. So, and then you can put it into viewing mode and you can do whatever, and it actually will work for you. And you can generate the code, update the coding, and it'll go to here. So, but just to show you that that actually worked, I will type in your email here. Here, just so you guys know that it actually works right here. Your email here. If you re-update coding and you go to your visual, it's still here, but if you put it into edit mode once again, it isn't. Unfortunately, I don't know what causes this, but I'm gonna figure it out. Once again, if you go to facebook.com and you go here to your extraction box and you go to images, it'll extract all the image links that your Facebook webpage uses. And you can right click and copy. You can go to the link in the browser. That'll open up your default browser to display whatever it is that you've clicked on. So for instance, this is this one right here. So it actually will show you that link. Let me see what else. You can find it in the coding, but in order to do that, you have to update code first. And so I'm going to make that an auto function where it actually just does that without you even having to update it. But of course, that's a little bit later. But if I go here and I go to locate the link in the coding, it says code is located, highlighted, and scroll down to locate it. That means go to the code editing. It is highlighted, so now you have to find it. and it is right here. I hope you guys can see that. If not, I might have to zoom in on it, but you can do that with all the links, which will open up absolutely every link inside the website. Of course, except for your images, because we already opened up the images, so I have no reason to put that in here. Scans finished at 12:01:33. So that's what time that finished, and that is what time it is right now. So I'm a little tired, but you can view the reference in the web browser. So that's kind of the same thing. So it'll open up whatever page is referenced to inside your web browser. So this would be language selection, whereas maybe this one would be, this just looks like the normal page. If you go to one and you click switch to edit inside of in live time, it will actually load that web page inside of your browser, and then you can update the coding and actually put it into edit mode once again. So you actually can switch to editing a whole other page, but in case you do that on accident, I want to try and make it so that there is a autosave feature for that, where if you hit that, it actually autosaves before it does it, or at least it asks you whether or not you want to do that. But that's a little bit in the future as well. Mainly just the basic functions are all working at this point. You can change an element's ID, switching it out, ID's current value, and then switching out its new value. And I didn't mean to say change element ID, I meant to say change element value. Although I will have a change element ID as well, but that's not currently what that does. Windows settings, younger settings, I think as I showed you before. Maybe if I haven't, then here you go. Now you get to see it. Let's see what else is new here. You can sign up for web hosting. Clicking on one of these will actually open you up to the website where you can actually sign up for hosting. And you can manage it all from inside of the project manager. You can open files, they work just fine. MGE projects, it won't open anything else unless it's an MGE project, so my apologies. If you can save an object. There's a warning here that comes along with this. It says, this does not save an HTML file to your computer. To save an HTML file, please go to the export form. I am yet to get the export form put in, but it'll be right between save as and exit right here. This is where it'll be. So, save as. This is the coding for Facebook. And I can save it on your desktop as a text file, which it shouldn't be saving as a text file. I guess that's kind of stupid. I should save it as an MGE file, but still. And it didn't even show up. Wow, I guess that's some thing I have to work on. It's kind of embarrassing. My apologies. I will have to definitely get that one in. Wow. Anyway, that's kind of what I have right now, and that's just the basic update. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If I get one, even just one person that comes out and says, I want this released right now, I will release it like as soon as it's said. Like, you won't give me an opportunity to say thank you before it's released. So I am going to try and get a one of those, well, I forget what it's called, where you can upload files, talk about kind of bugs and developer like hub thing. But anyway, I'm gonna try to figure that out. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it will obviously work the way it's supposed to and not be a douchebag. But I guess if it's a douchebag, it's because I made it that way. But go ahead and comment, subscribe, link, whatever, help me out, and I'll go ahead and release it. Thanks, guys.